Alright guys, so good day to you all. This is my new Xmax 300. I'm going to change the signal light because this is light bulb, not LED, and I'm going to change it to LED with a DRL. And another thing I'm going to put is a Hella Snail horn. And also I have the wiring harness for the horn. I got a relay and a fuse. Alright, so the package the lights comes with a relay for LED and a connector. The problem is it comes with a wire, but there's no connector in it. So what we need is some prim and some 2-pin connector. So in here we have blue, black and yellow. Yellow is for the turn signal, black is for the negative, and blue is for the daylight, day running light. And the other side have different color too. So blue is for running light, black is for negative, and the gray is for turn signal. Keep that in mind, okay? So for the blue wire, I'm going to use this quick wire connector. I'm using the blue 16 to 14 AWG. And on this side I'm going to use the female, like that, crimp it, and I have a wire here, then I'm going to connect it like so, okay? Okay, so for the DRL is done, so it's time for the turn signal connector. So we need a 2-pin connector like this, and you need this kind of thing to crimp it and then put it inside like so, okay? Okay, so this is the crimp wiring. All we have to do is put it inside, then we're ready to go. Okay, now so the side fairings are taken off, the side front fairings. So you have to remove the wirings here, 2 screw and 1 like a tech lock in this side. Okay, let's remove it. Okay, so you need a towel just to protect your fairing from getting scratched. Lights. Okay, and there it goes. Now it's already bolt in again. So this is the JPA. It's not so flushed, but looks cool. and the wiring harness is short, so I did not put it here. I just do it like this. Okay, so whenever you are changing LED turn signal light, you need to change also a LED relay. Okay, so let me show you on this side of the bike. Okay, this is the relay. Just take it off. Okay, there's a pin. Take it off and replace it with this. Okay, comes with this 3-pin relay. Okay, I will install it and show you it again later. Okay, now so the LED relay is placed, ready, installed. Okay, then you have to place it over here again. So I'm looking for a good spot to put my horn, and I think this bolt will do. We're just gonna bolt it like this, and it will not interfere with the fairing, I guess. Well, let's see, I'll show you later. So the wiring harness for the Hella horn. Okay, so I just zip tie the relay here, plug in the red, and this is the ground kit, and this is the positive one with the fuse. Okay, so we have to properly fix the wiring now. Okay, so the wiring harness, I put it here and go under here. The fuse is here, as you can see, that's the fuse. Then I put all the extra harness on this side, zip tight, and the horn I connected to the ABS machine, or ABS bolt over there. It won't touch the fairing. And the other one is here. Okay, here, and the wiring goes there. Okay, so now it's time to put the DRL. So for the DRL, I have this connector that I made. Okay, I'll show you later how I'm going to connect it here on this 3-pin connector from the power charger or the cigarette socket inside. I'll get it from here, the power of the DRL. Okay, so this is the DIY connector that I made. So this is the cigarette or 12-volt connector from inside. It's connected here. Okay, then I made a 2-way connector. One is 3-pin and the other side is 2-pin for the DRL. Okay, this one goes here. So here the red one is positive and the black one is negative. Okay, this one, yellow one, is positive. The brown one, I don't know if this is brown or green. I know, I'm color blind, so anyway, this is positive, this is negative. Okay, so all I have to do is connect it like so, and on the other side I have to connect it. Then this one is going to the DRL. So I made this before. This line is all on positive side. Okay, one is 15 inches, one is 30 inches. The longest one goes inside for the other side. Okay, It's all positive. So what I have to do is connect this one together. Okay, and we're done. So for a cleaner look, we have to zip tie it here, and this will go together, turn signal and DRL. So let's make it look clean. Okay, so I just removed the tub. Okay, so the turn signal is only like a rubber thing, and then you just pull it off. Okay, and replace it with T10 LED yellow lights. Alright, so this is the back side with the LED bulbs. Alright, let's see the lights. Let there be light. Okay, there's the light. On. Left. Right. Hazard on. Try the horn. So I think the horn is very, very loud. Okay, I highly recommend the horn. The Hella horn comes with a relay, but you need a wiring harness for safety. You know, it might short circuit your fuse, so better to have a wiring harness for your own safety. Anyway, if you have any question, just comment down below. And for all the things that I've used in the bike, I will also include in the link on the description below. I'll give you some link from the Amazon. Alright, thanks for watching. Subscribe and click the like button. Thanks for watching. See you again next time.